So here is how to Google with an image. And to do this, you need to head over to the Google website. You can also use the Google app for this feature. Also, there are two ways that you can search with an image. The first one is by selecting the camera option in the search bar and then uploading an image. But for this video, I will click on the plus icon and select Upload Image. This way, you can upload any image from your device. Then, once the image is uploaded, just type in whatever that you want. So as an example, I will type in a query asking Google to name the person in the image. So once you're done typing in your query, just click on the blue button or press enter. Google will then start analyzing your photo and then give you the results based on it. And as you can see, we're now in the AI mode of Google. It analyzed the photo and the query and gave us the relevant results. And that's it. That is exactly how to Google with an image.